Welcome, my beautiful ones. Today I'll take you through practice of experiencing embodiment and seeing why we don't have what we want in life. I want you to tangibly experience this, because my words, they can only explain a little bit, but your individual internal experience is what is present for you, and I can gently guide you. Let's begin. I want you, my love, close your eyes, find a comfortable position. I want you to notice your breath moving through in and out effortlessly. Keep breathing. Notice your jaw soften gently. Your shoulders drops, your belly soften now. And now I want you to go into the moment in your life when is something going on now. Some urgency, some tension, some discomfort. And I want you to notice this experience. And notice now how it feels in your body. If it is a tension, a sense of urgency, pressure, just notice this. A sense of compulsion. And my love, this is the video only to show you why we don't have in life what we want. Because the moment you already feel in your body, that pressure, that tension, is automatically take you to take some action, some steps with that energy. And this is when you start thinking the thoughts, you're starting overthinking, you start feeling fear or pressure, worries, and all of that. Okay? And this is why we just follow. This is when we go with it. The body knows first, and then we follow. But I'll show you with this embodiment something else. Something already is aware of all of that tension. Of that pressure. But doesn't feel the pressure and tension. My loves, open your eyes, and I'm leaving you with that. And tell me what did it came up for you? How was the shift? Something else you want to share? Please do, because I would love to know. Lots of love.